Hey, what's up? This is Atomic Swift. Welcome back to another one of my videos. Today's video, we're going to do something a little different here. This is a life tip. If you have a toilet that you hear running, and it's running continuously, which I didn't realize it was continuously, like a dumbass, I just thought that it was running every time I happened to hear it in my downstairs bathroom. And then you get a letter like this in the mail. Look at this. Using advanced metering equipment, we can detect water use that reveals problems such as on-site leaks. Our analysis has identified a continuous flow of water at your property located at, it's blacked out because, I don't want you showing up at my house unless you're a hot chick and you want to blow me. But anyway, there are virtually no circumstances in typical household that would result in 24/7 water use, indicating that you have an on-site leak. Look at that water waste. Look at that. They're threatening to turn my water off and charge me $80 if I don't get the leak repaired, which, what is the leak? Look at this. Toilet flapper. Yep, it's obviously kind of old. I moved in here, didn't think of checking the flapper, but like I said, I would occasionally hear, well, what I thought wasn't occasionally, because, I spent a lot of time in my computer room, which is upstairs. This was in the downstairs bathroom. This little flapper cost me some nice money, this old fucking beat up, worn out flapper, which you notice isn't perfectly straight, which is what... the rubber's like lipped up on one of the sides, which is what's causing the running water. And I know you're asking yourself, well, Atomic Swift, what is the life lesson here? The life lesson is, if you hear your toilet running, you better open up the back of that fucking toilet, check the flapper, and get it to stop running, because not only will you get a nice letter like this, but how much money will it cost you? Well, besides, if you don't get the leak repaired, blah, 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 Check this out. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this water bill. Now, $503.31. Now, you might go, well, what is that for, a half a year? No, that's 1 month. That's 1 month. And if you look at the details for the current reading, look, 539, current read date, the 17th of September. Previous reading 451. Previous read date August 18th. Usage in 1,000 gallons 88,000 gallons of water. And if you look at the breakdown here, look at this. My typical bill is usually about $30. Between 30 to 50, we'll say. And if you look at the usage, and then you get to September, and look at that shit. How come nobody called me, when they came and saw my meter, said that? They didn't send me a letter in the mail before that. I actually got the warning letter after I got this fucking bill. And I got the bill, and I just glanced at it, and I was like, oh, $50.31. But then I actually looked at this chart, and I was like, holy fuck. And then I'm looking at the different tiers. Look, I'm all the way in tier 4. It said total number of days, 30. And, yeah, see? Subtotal is $473.98. But that's just for the property where I live. This bill is... This bill comes for two properties. So the other house where the water's on this account is also included in the 503. So just this one address is $473.98 for 1 month. I mean, look at the breakdown of the bill. Look at that, tier 4, 68. Look, isn't that nice? 68 times $5.19, $352.92, and then we're all the way in tier 4. I mean, 88,000 gallons of water. So I called the water district here in Las Vegas, and because I had heard that if you have a leak, you can call, and then they'll cut you a break on the bill if you tell them hey I fixed the leak, blah blah blah. So she goes, okay, well it's got to be to prove that there's a leak and, you know, you're not just using a lot of water, we look at last year at this time, which last year at this time doesn't show on this bill, but last year in September, she said I used 17,000 gallons of water in the entire month. And as you can see on this bill, this month, I used fucking 88,000. Like, Jesus Christ. So you know what I say? I say, fuck this stupid flapper piece of shit. This piece of shit just cost me $473. Well, cost me $200 and something because they're going to cut the bill in half to where, well, they're going to send me an application I can fill out and they'll cut the bill in half. But this fucking worn out piece of shit cost me over $200. So you know what I say? Fuck you, flapper. So yeah, if you hear a running toilet, fix that shit. Don't be an idiot like Atomic Swift. Thanks for watching my video. If you think I'm a fucking idiot, leave a like on this video, because I am an idiot. And I should have fucking noticed the toilet was running all the time, not just the time I happened to hear it. But thanks for watching my video. Thanks for all likes, comments, subs, and as always, bye for now.